Let's quickly find out how to know if your PC is compromised. First, right click on the Windows Start menu and click Run. Then type MRT and press Enter. This will show the Microsoft Windows Malicious Software Removal tool. Then click Next and you will find these 3 scans options: the Quick Scan, the Full Scan and the Customized Scan. The Quick Scan will target areas where malware normally tends to hide. The Full Scan targets the whole system, so I would suggest you select this option when you notice any strange behavior or performance issue with your computer. For this, I will select the Quick Scan, then click Next. This will scan all available files for potential threats. Just wait patiently for the process to complete, and after that, the scan results will be displayed. And if no malicious software was detected, then it means your computer is safe. But if any threats were found, they will be listed here and this tool will automatically remove them. From there, again come to Run and type netplwiz and press Enter. This will show all available users' accounts on your computer, and if you notice any suspicious account, just select it and click on Remove. From there, right click on your taskbar and click Task Manager. Then click on Startup Apps. Then click on this Status tab. This will arrange all the enabled apps in this order. Now please take a few moments to scan through all the enabled apps, and if you notice any application you did not install, then right click on it and click on Disable. This step will prevent it from launching automatically when your computer starts. Hope this was helpful, and please like this video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, have a lovely day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.